PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair is your trusted partner for AC repair in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania, ensuring your home stays cool and comfortable year-round. Our skilled technicians have the expertise to diagnose and resolve a wide range of AC issues promptly and efficiently. From minor repairs to major system overhauls, we deliver reliable solutions that restore your AC's performance and efficiency. With a commitment to customer satisfaction, PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides transparent pricing and superior service on every job. Trust us to keep your AC running smoothly. Choose PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair for all your AC repair needs in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania. Call our hotline for HVAC services and repair and to learn more about services. Are you looking for a AC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair. What specific services does PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair offer for AC repair in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania? PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair offers comprehensive AC repair services in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania, including diagnosing and fixing issues such as refrigerant leaks, compressor failures, thermostat malfunctions, and airflow problems. How does PJ MAC HVAC ensure prompt and reliable AC repair services in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania? PJ MAC HVAC ensures prompt and reliable AC repair services in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania, by employing skilled technicians who have experience working with a variety of AC systems and using state-of-the-art diagnostic tools to identify and resolve issues efficiently. What is your service for the Swarthmore, Pennsylvania office? Our local AC repair services have served Swarthmore, Lima, Elwyn, Glen, Riddle, Media, Rose Valley, Brookhaven, Parkside, Upland, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Prospect Park, Wallingford, Moylan, Rose, Tree, Nether, Providence Township, Milmont Park, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair Service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/Fairview RD Swarthmore HVAC Service/.